Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today's video, we are gonna look at my agent secrets. Once again, it's a Monday, but it is also the beginning of the month. So I want to share with you my monthly results, and then you can make a decision whether you want to use this traffic source or not. I've been using it for the last 2 years almost, and I would love for you guys to see and make that decision for yourself, but make an informed decision because it's really important that you do get the support and the guidance and also the right strategy that's involved. So let me share with you what exactly I'm doing, and you can see for yourself if this is worth it or not for you. Let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen, and we're going to cover my entire results, but I know most of you guys are on My Legion Secrets already, using My Legion Secrets already. So this is also kind of a proof of concept, giving an inspiration to a lot of members to keep emailing your leads because it's super important. So I'm going to cover what is My Legion Secrets, but I just want to show you my strategy itself. What we're talking about here, as you can see from the screen, is that My Legion Secrets is the catalyst in my entire affiliate marketing structure. Basically, what it's doing for me, so it's allowing me to generate a funded proposal or cash flow for myself that I then utilize into paid advertising. Now, you can do the same and utilize it for whatever you want at the end of the day, but that's how a funded proposal works. So within my whole entire strategy, step one is primarily focused on My Legion Secrets itself. So that's why I need to share with you that I'm using it as a catalyst. Is it going to make you a lot of money online? Is it going to make you another $500, $1,000? It can, but it's not going to make you rich. Okay. This is something that is just giving you a boost. It's a catalyst. Think of it as as a launching pad for much more opportunities to get your feet wet also in learning the skill sets of affiliate marketing, which is copywriting and advertising. You're solving the problem with advertising by getting those 100 to 200 leads, and you're also using the platform itself to practice your copywriting skills. So that's why I personally love it. It's very focused on skill sets and very focused on conversions, because at the end of the day, you're using email marketing to create that conversion. And that email marketing foundation is needed in every single thing that we do online, specifically because building a list is so important. So just wanted to share with you, this is my entire structure. If you want to know more about this, guys, and also learn about the skill set, learn about the strategy in detail, there's a link in the description of this video. So feel free to check that out. It's a course called Affiliate Marketing Essentials, and it will basically take you through the entire process and also keep in mind the skill sets that you will be able to learn. Okay, so that's in the description of this video. Let's go ahead and actually just give you a small definition of what My Legion Secrets is. As you can see from here, it is a product that is giving you 100 to 200 leads every single day, all for the price of $30 every single month, which basically means you're spending $1 a day. Now, the first month will cost you $60 because you're getting started. They have a $30 setup fee and then a $30 per month fee in itself. That's monthly, right? So you're spending about $30 every single month to maintain it, but the first month you're spending $60, okay? And the whole aim and the goal for My Legion Secret is to deliver these 100 to 200 leads. It's not for you to generate sales. We as marketers, and as I mentioned before, need to focus on conversion with email marketing to be able to get those sales. Now, if you ask me, is the leads in My Legion Secret converting or not? Yes, they are, and this is the proof of it right in this video, so you'll see the results. But at the end of the day, what kind of leads are they? They are co-registration leads in the wealth niche, so in the business opportunity mainly niche, which means that they are leads that have said yes to getting emails from not only the person that has been promoting and generating those leads, but also from their partners, which is what My Legion Secrets is one of them. And we are able to now leverage that and email these leads. Now, obviously, some of us are going to get some results or not. This is something that we need to look into it together, right? But they are delivering those leads. So these are co-registration leads. If you start to talk about a lot of health stuff or maybe a lot of completely unrelated to wealth, then I don't think they're going to convert, because you have to understand your traffic. Where are you getting your traffic from? What's your traffic actually asking, like the advertising leads asking? So in this case, it's wealth. So make sure that you do have your products that you're sharing related to that. On that note, I use Warrior Plus and ClickBank offers mainly to promote. I specifically use Warrior Plus because the core products that I own myself and I use myself are all hosted on Warrior Plus. So I share Warrior Plus products on My Legion Secrets itself. That I just wanted to cover. Again, The link to this, if you want to join My Legion Secret specifically, is in the description of this video. So please feel to click on that and you can get started with My Legion Secret. Being said, let's jump on to the results and seeing how Warrior Plus has been doing for me. So let's look at one at a time. We're going to look at Warrior Plus first. We're also going to look at My Legion Secret itself because I'm an affiliate for it as well. And we'll look at ClickBank. These are the three places that I personally use just My Legion Secrets for, okay? And I will explain to you my strategy. So 5 days a week, I send offers to Warrior Plus. I send the email on My Legion Secret. I send an email every single day, once every 24 hours. I send out the email and the email goes to a Warrior Plus product. Now, let's go ahead and actually go to dashboard for the affiliate section. You'll see the entire month of August. It was a low month, guys, but we'll go to transactions. Okay, we're here on transaction, guys, and I want to show you exactly what happened in the last month. So we look at specifically last month because we're doing this on a Sunday, which is September 1st. We're looking at, as you can see, from the 1st of August to the 31st of August, and it's loading the data at the moment. There is a slight lag with Warrior Plus today. I'm not sure why. Maybe there's a lot of traffic on this site. And then we will put MLGS because I have tracked everything. You'll see that it is there. Now, if you want to learn how to track, if you want to learn everything that I'm doing, strategies, so on and so forth, I give a lot of free content available on this channel. In fact, if you scroll down, you can see a playlist which has all the My Legion Secret training. Okay, so you can feel free to check that out at any point of time. This last month, I will admit that I had a slower month. It is summer season, so I'm pretty sure that a lot of people were traveling. So it's not a problem, but I have seen this dip usually in August. And as you can see right here, I only made 32. Usually I make at least 10 more sales, at least around 30 to 40 sales every single month. But I made only 22 sales last month. So that means I did drop. My sales price was 423. And my entire commissions for My Legion Secrets has been 340. So I had a slower month, but let's see as a whole how much it has come up to, right? So that's Warrior Plus 340 and 16 cents. Now we'll also look at ClickBank. All right, guys, so we are here in ClickBank. I will just very briefly put, we're not going to do anything else. We're just going to look at month of August. So the entire month of August till 31st, apply. Basically, I made 2 recurring sales from the previous month. So I got here a sale, 1 sale, and then on the 11th, the other sale. So we'll add another $29.29, which is what I earned on ClickBank. Great, so I'm adding that here to the section. So the total right now for ClickBank and Warrior Plus is 369. Let's log into My Legion Secret. All right, guys, I'm logged into My Legion Secret. So let's just go to affiliates and we will look at my downline. You can see I have active members right now, 11, but let's look at commissions for the month of August. All right, so I'm just going to count them and we'll see together. As you basically can see, wherever there is RC, it means a recurring commission. And wherever you do not see RC, it's basically a new commission. So just as you can see, I got a new member here, 1 new member here. So that's 5. Then another 3 members. So that's another 15. That means 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another new member, 25. 30, 34, 39, and we have 43 here, and 48 here, and also another 3 here, right? So this is all, yes, another 3. Let's just do this together. How many 5s and how many 3s? We'll check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 5s. Yeah, 9. So that 5, okay, so let's just do 9 into 5. So we know that it is 45 plus 3 and plus 4. That means plus 7, which equals to 52. So total of $52 I got last month from My Legion Secrets itself. Now I'll explain how this happens. But basically what I do is on every, so 5 days a week, I send Warrior Plus offers. So that is it. Okay, just send my Warrior Plus offers every single day. And they're not recurring offers. So I need to make sales every single month. How I try to include a recurring offer is that on the weekends, 6 days a week. So on Sunday only, I promote a ClickBank offer with My Legion Secret in the body of the email. So This means that the content of the email that I'm sending on a Sunday is not related to Warrior Plus. It's related to an offer on ClickBank as well as my Legion Secret. Now, remember, guys, I just have one account. I would suggest this strategy. Obviously, I'm doing everything on a tight budget, so that's why I have just one account. But if I could, I would open at least two accounts. I would keep one account specifically for Warrior Plus, one account specifically for ClickBank and other products and services. Why? Because then you have a balance of basically converting, let's say, recurring commissions that are coming in, because in ClickBank it does convert and you can have recurring commissions, as well as having the Warrior Plus offers. If you have other offers itself on make money online, or offers that you've had in the past, I would basically distinguish those two accounts. And in fact, that's maybe the direction that I'm heading now, that I'm doing this successfully, let's say for the last year and a half already since I started the strategy. I want to make sure that going forward I have it leveraged with another strategy, with another account as well. So you can have more than one account. I would suggest start where you can, but this is personally what I'm doing with my Legion Secrets. So that's how I'm promoting my Legion Secrets, and in doing so, I'm already getting members. Now, I do want to mention, if I scroll up here and just show you my downline, you'll see that actually, if I count everything else, it would be 23 plus 11. So that's 34 members that I would have if no one fell off, right? So just saying 34 members into $5, that would be $170 in commissions. And remember, I'm paying just $30 a month. So this is 140 on profit, right? Just on that. But this is not what I'm getting. Why am I not getting this? And I only got 52, because as you guys can see, 23 members became inactive. Okay, they're affiliates, but they became inactive. If they're upgraded members, that means they're active. If they're affiliates, means they're inactive, which means they're not paid their monthly fee. That's why you obviously don't get commissions. So my aim over here is to get at least this to 20 active affiliates, because obviously having 20 active affiliates means at least you're making $100 a month just from this tool, which you are more than, making around, yeah, you're making around $70 extra just from using this tool, which is why not to have that profit on it, right? So that's specifically what I personally aiming for, at least 20, just to keep that number stable. And if it grows from there, great. If it doesn't, as you can see, after more than a year of using it, I also have somebody on my second level, and I also have somebody on my third level. So now slowly this team is starting to, compensation plan also is working, starting to build itself, and so on and so forth. But this is not something I get into. I purely use this for the traffic itself. Okay, I use it for the traffic itself. So anyway, let's get back to the numbers. This is the total amount now we would have, and then I also want to minus $30, which I basically use my Legion Secret for. So my total profit for the month of, this is net profit, right? Because everything else I already own. This is purely the net profit that I have. I have earned $391.45 for the last month using my Legion Secret. So it is a lower month for me. I will admit that it is a lower month. Usually it is between 400 to 500, maybe even $600 per month. However, this month has been a slower month, unfortunately. It is what it is. I accept it completely. And I wanted to show you guys, transparently, since the beginning of my journey, what's going on, how it is. If you're interested in me working with you, then feel free to check out the course below, get my Legion Secrets, and obviously you can reach out to me if you have any questions at any point of time. I hope this video brought you some awareness, and it may help you with your decision in joining my Legion Secrets or not. And in any case, if it's just bringing you some training and some results, then great. I'm happy that you got this video then. See you guys on Wednesday and Friday for next two videos. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you on the next one. Have a great day.